Welcome to the Gravity Sketch Automotive Interior Design Training Curriculum. In this session, I'll show you how to start adding basic volumes, surfaces, and color to your 3D sketch. The volume brush is a great tool to quickly fill in volumes, add color, and block the view of the opposite side of the sketch. To get started, I'll select a flat material and match the color to the background, carefully filling in the interior volumes and using edit mode to adjust the control points as needed. At this point, I have a great base image to kick out some screenshots in various perspectives for further sketching and rendering in Photoshop. Volume brush can also be a great way to discover new shapes and forms. Using the clay and reflective materials, I can explore new shapes and forms very quickly. The surface tool is a great way to quickly add surfaces to your 3D sketch. You can freely sketch surfaces by pulling both triggers or bridging between curves. Going to edit mode, you can adjust, add, and remove control points to refine your surface. Using the stroke tool in the ribbon setting is another great way to quickly add surfaces to your sketch. By bringing in reference images of textures and materials, you can map those images to any surface in the color selection menu. In this example, I've brought in a PNG image of an airbrush stroke. Using ribbon stroke with the airbrush texture, you can add additional color and form, just like you would in Photoshop. Wood patterns and other textures are another great use of texture mapping. At this point, I have an exciting and comprehensive 3D sketch for this electric crossover interior. You can kick out screenshots for further refinement in Photoshop, or use Gravity Sketch Collab to bring your team into an immersive 3D experience.